Hey everybody, how are you guys doing this evening? Maybe tonight, maybe it's during the day. Um, well, I don't know, it gets dark here earlier, so I feel like it's always nighttime anymore 'cause it's kind of gloomy. All right, Mr. Short, this is Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade, Module 3, Lesson 11, homework help. This is on page 71, and there is a page 72, so make sure you look at both of them. Okay, just like you should have gone over maybe today in class, maybe not today in class, we're working on our decomposing when we are multiplying. Something I like to do too is we're multiplying by 3, and they already did the chart for us over here. I like to put this line in to show that I have my 1, 2, 3 groups of 4. It just makes it a little easier for me to see that, to make sure I know I'm multiplying this number 3 times. All right, so we start here. We have 3 times 2, so 3 times 2, 6. That's all that goes there. We're just doing that one spot. Now we're going to do the 10 spot lower, so we got to put a 0 in there, and that's why it says 10. So we have 3 times 3 is 9, and now we're multiplying the 100. So these are those zeros we used to take away. Now we can just put them in there because it's hundreds, and we know every 100 has 2 spots on it, right after our first number. So we're going to say 3 times 4 is 12. So now we add it up. 6, 9, 2, 1. If we go over here and look, right, we have our 1, 2, 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have our 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So put 9 down there. And now we got our hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can put 12 hundreds here. I still myself would prefer that you looped and it brought over so we have 1,000. Because remember, 10 hundreds, if you have 10 in the 100 spot, 10 circles here, that's the same as 1,000. So now, I didn't loop enough. Sorry, hold on. There we go. I fixed it. It's Monday. My brain's getting used to it. All right, there's my 10. So that leaves me with 2 left and 1 in the 1,000 spots. My numbers match. I am good to go. I like these grids because they keep it nice and neat for us. It helps us out a lot. All right, so the next one is going to use the area model to help. So if you look, you have 4 times 400. So it would be 400s. Look, 400s. 4 times 400 is right there. So you can just put your 2 zeros there. You got a 10, you can put your 1 0 there. And now you can do your multiplying just like you're going to do over here. Okay? For right now, make sure you're using these. This is the standard algorithm, or as I like to call it, old people math, right? OPM. Some of my students are starting to write that on their paper, which I think is pretty funny. So here's our old person math, where it's stacked on top of each other, and we're multiplying it out. Take your time. Okay, work through every problem. There's help on the side of these. Don't let it trick you. All right, so we say we got 10s there. Put that 0 there. We got a 10 there, put that 0 there. We got hundreds, 2 zeros, right? Over here we have thousands. That's 1, 2, 3 zeros. Hundreds, 1, 2. Now we can just multiply by each number, right, on all of these. Here, here, and then here. And write that number in front of our 0 or zeros to help us find our answer a little bit easier. Let's check the back of this one. Oh, circle the quadrilateral that has at least right angles. I feel like there's supposed to be a number there. Circle the quadrilateral that has at least, there should be like a number there, right angles. Let's say at least, well, it says quadrilateral. We're going to say that has at least, we'll go with what says angles. We'll go with 4 right angles. Find one of 4 right angles. And then over here, we're listing the factors of 28. Remember, that's anything you can multiply 28 by. I'm sorry, any 2 numbers you can multiply together to get 28. Remember, our first one is going to be 1 and 28. And I'll give you a hint. This is not a prime number. This is a composite number. So there's going to be more numbers inside of there. All right, I hope this one helps. We're getting close to the end of the calendar year. I hope it's going good for you guys. All right, Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 11 homework help. Hey, if you want some extra stuff, there is a quiz coming up this week. There's a module test coming up soon. I have that stuff in my Teacher Pay Teacher. I'm also going to start a contest with my class getting rewards. If I can get to 500 subscribers, my class will get a reward. If we get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the school year, they will get a bigger reward and another reward. So you can help us out. That would be great. Either way, this is Mr. Short. Have a good night.